MUBI free trial. MUBI offers a 7-day free trial to new users, allowing access to its curated selection of international and independent films. This trial period provides full access to MUBI's library, enabling users to explore a diverse range of cinematic content without any initial cost. First, standard free trial. Duration 7 days. Eligibility available to new and certain former users. Access full access to MUBI's streaming library, including daily curated films and the existing catalog. Subscription at the end of the trial, the subscription automatically continues at the standard monthly rate unless canceled prior. 2. Extended free trials and promotional offers. Occasionally, MUBI partners with organizations or events to offer extended free trials. For instance, collaborations with film festivals or educational institutions may provide extended trial periods. These offers are typically time-sensitive and region-specific. Third, student free trial and discount. Student offer: verified students can start with a 30-day free trial, followed by a discounted subscription rate of $9.99 per month. Eligibility requires verification of student status through a valid educational email or student identification. Access includes the same features as the standard subscription, such as daily curated films and the ability to download films for offline viewing. 4. Accessing the free trial. Sign-up process: visit MUBI's official website or download the MUBI app on your device. Account creation: create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Payment information: enter valid payment details to initiate the free trial. Cancellation: if you choose not to continue after the trial, ensure you cancel before the 7-day period ends to avoid automatic billing. In conclusion, MUBI's free trial offers an excellent opportunity to explore a curated selection of films. Whether you're a student seeking a longer trial period and discounted rate or a new user interested in a week-long exploration, MUBI provides flexible options to suit diverse preferences.